Nero, you got a new cat tree? You want to say hey? Look at those eyes. How you doing, baby? You just had a little mouse. Did you just eat a mouse? So beautiful. Hey, baby. So Nero's actually pretty chill most of the time. Even when he meets new things, new people, new animals, he's very chill. What are you doing? He loves. I mean, he's. I trim his claws myself. No biting. Nope. But he's very responsive and very friendly and gentle. Though not always. You can see my little cut there. We missed a claw, didn't we? Nero. Let me go. Let me go.